WhatsApp continues to introduce new features to its app to increase functioning despite controversies over its privacy standards in India. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, recently confirmed 3 new features coming to the messaging network. Now, WhatsApp is planning to implement a new method of account verification. When you restore your WhatsApp account after purchasing a new phone, the app confirms your identity by sending you a 6-digit code through SMS. However, the company is working on a new type of account verification in the form of flash calls. WhatsApp is working on a new feature called flash calls in the latest beta version of the Android app. It is currently in a pilot mode and could be available in a future update. Let me now tell you how will flash calls work. The flash calls function will allow you to authenticate your WhatsApp account in a matter of seconds. When you try to log into your account using the flash call verification method, the app will contact your phone number and then disconnect it after a few rings. The last phone number in your call log will be matched to the number to provide you with the 6-digit code to validate your account, and you will be logged in if they match. It is important to note that you will need to provide the app access to your call logs and permission to make and handle phone calls on your smartphone. Since Apple does not offer a public API for reading call history, iOS users will not be able to use this feature. The flash call feature will only be accessible on WhatsApp for Android once it is ready to roll out, and it will most likely be optional. Furthermore, WhatsApp will not utilize your call history for any other and will just compare the last entry from your call history. However, no date or time frame has been set for when it will be available in the stable version of the application. Once launched, WhatsApp will make this feature generally available.